Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find the lock screen. Let's tap on it. At the very top we've got the sleep option, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite short options to choose from, or 1 to 5, 10 minutes, or never, which simply means that your device will never black out. Currently we've got the 1 minute option applied. As you can see, it is marked and highlighted in this bluish color, and basically all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.